Ladies and gentlemen, remember one thing: winners never quit and quitters never win. Winners never quit and quitters never win. There is nothing to say that success will come to you at the very first attempt. No, never.
Such people should know that buildings do not make institution. It's the teachers who make institution.
I've still got a smile on my face, a song in my heart, a spring in my step. I know I'm a victor and not a victim.
The two most powerful words in English language are I am. Because what comes after I am is going to shape you in the best version of you. What you believe after I am, what you speak after I am is going to create your future and shape your life.
Munawar Zama, these are two words. Munawar means bright and brilliant. Zama means all the world. So if I combine these two words, I get the phrase that Munawar Zama is the bright and brilliant star of the educational fabric not only of India but the entire world.
ज़मा साहब, ये कहा जाता ना कभी कभी इनको लोग कहते हैं जादूगर हैं, मैं कहता हूँ ये फरिश्ते की शक्ल में इंसान है.
Every day, make a plan, work the plan. Make a plan, work the plan. And whenever the plan doesn't work, change the plan.
Comparing yourself to others is one of the easiest ways to feel bad about yourself. It shows your level, it shows your thinking. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad's dream of a united India shattered into pieces, but he did not lose his courage. He did not lose his self-confidence.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge in Allah from Shaitan, the cursed one.
मैं अल्लाह की पनाह मांगता हूँ शैतान मरदूद से.
Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was just not a religious teacher, but also a social reformer, a moral guide, a terrific administrator, a faithful friend, a reliable companion, a devoted husband, a loving father.
Particularly, I was asking Munawar Zama Sahab how many ulamas from Madaris have come. Because that is the change which the whole world wants to see. No other person will bring the change. The change will be from these ulamas. They will change the world. They have done it before and they will do it once again. The only thing they were lagging was the language barrier. Now Munawar Zama Sahab has given the tool.
I was so impressed with this ulama sitting here. I was very, very impressed. They are not convent educated students, but they were at par with those students who came from convent background.
Zama Sahab is a inspirational personality. He is really a jadugar. The people who have the desire to change the course of the time are not the ordinary people. They are special people. They are blessed people. कुछ लोग थे जो वक्त के सांचे में ढल गए. कुछ लोग थे जो वक्त के सांचे में ढल गए और कुछ लोग थे जो वक्त का सांचा बदल गए.
If you want to live an amazing life, a truly happy and an abundant life, then make it a priority to live in the present moment. You don't need fancy cars, neither you need millions of dollars. All you need is what's within you right now.
A person should never give up. We should keep trying hard to reach our goals every single day. Success does not happen in a day. It takes a lot of failures and challenges to become a successful person.
Write down my words, people. Easy is not an option. When life knocks you down, jump back and say, it's not over until I win.
The demonstration of the children, sometimes you cannot stop your tears. I was also crying. Many people, they were crying. These are all sentiments. When something extraordinary happens, automatically you feel it.
It's really wonderful to be in the company of these 300 or so people, and a very wonderful teacher. I really wish that I had a teacher like that in my early school. What you are learning here is not just a language. You're learning to open your personality, to develop the self-confidence, which is very basis of your life.
I was amazed to see him work. So workaholic person, really आपने सिराजुद्दीन कुरैशी साहब ने जो बोला कि फरिश्ता इंसान की शक्ल में अगर आ गया और ऐसे इंसान को आपने जो तलाशे और आपने हम लोगों को दिए, तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अल्लाह आपको जज़ा खैर दे.
If there is paradise on earth, it is here, and it is here.
I have certainly learned the beauty of English grammar, English vocabulary, English pronunciation, and the art of public speaking. But more importantly, I have learned the real definition of secularism here.
I am proud of being an Indian. I am a part of the indivisible unity that is Indian nationality.
All the power is within you. You can do anything and everything. Believe in that. Don't believe that you are weak. Stand up and express the divinity within you.
जादू वो जो सर चढ़ के बोले, जादू वो जो सर चढ़ के बोले. मुनव्वर साहब का जादू वो सबके सर पे चढ़ के बोल रहा है. बहरहाल मुनव्वर जमा साहब के ऊपर बुजुर्गों की दुआएं हैं और अल्लाह वालों की इनके ऊपर नज़र है और ये भी बड़ी अकीदत से बुजुर्गों से मिलते हैं और यही मैं समझता हूँ उनका सरमाया है.
The transformation in the students which has been brought in just 40 days is amazing, is wonderful. It is not believable.
But if you lift and uplift the most unlifted, the most unprivileged, the most unattended, the most unnoticed, the most neglected, the most avoided, then you are doing a miracle.
So many people expect change in others, expect change in the world, but are never willing to change themselves.
And finally he became able to achieve his goal, and India become one of those countries who have their own satellite launching pads, and today more than 50 countries launch their satellites from India. This is the power of confidence. This is the importance of confidence.
The future depends on what you do today. So forget everything else. You now have an answer. The goal is right in front of you, and the only thing I want you to do now is to move forward.
Even today, in matrimony sites, before asking about a girl's education, background, or economic status, they request a bride with fair skin.
It's a very revolutionary training, no doubt about it. मुनव्वर ज़मा के काबिल तारीफ शागिर्दों ने जिस तरह गुफ्तगू की आज, उन्होंने ये बताया कि जो हमारा मज़हब कहता है नाउम्मीदी मायूसी कुफ्र है, आज हर बच्चे ने अपनी तकरीर में वो पूरी पॉजिटिविटी थी.
और इस बार जो जमा साहब ने पढ़ाने के अलावा बहुत सारी चीज़ें सिखाई.
It was really awesome, and what Mr. Zama is teaching, it is fantastic.
Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever.
Discipline means doing the thing moral and ethical manner. Discipline in life is very important for each of us.
मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ मुनव्वर ज़मा का कि वो एक बहुत अच्छी तरह से बच्चों को ट्रेन कर रहे हैं और ये वाकई उनकी एक कैरियर ओरिएंटेड वर्कशॉप है.
Every moment, Munawar Zama sahab, the students have proved beyond anybody's imagination. They are par excellence. और इनकी अंग्रेज़ी में गुफ्तगू करने का अंदाज़, जो हम उर्दू में कहते तलफ़ुज़, डिक्शन, it appeared to me कि सब अंग्रेज़ ही अंग्रेज़ी बोल रहे हैं.
I know it's easy to advise, but believe me, brothers and sisters, you all will regret your whole life that you gave up at that point in your life because you were too weak.
The man whose heart loves the fellow human being. Most importantly, the man who taught me how to live and never lose hope. He is my motivator, Munawar Zama sir.
तो मैंने कॉन्वोकेशन के दिन उनको कहा कि ही इज़ अ मैजिशियन, ये जादूगर है. उसके बाद जादूगर लफ्ज़ ऐसा चिपका कि फिर वो हटा नहीं, और अरविंद केजरीवाल से लेकर फारूक अब्दुल्ला तक और चीफ जस्टिस AM अहमदी से लेकर चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर SY कुरैशी तक सबको कहना पड़ा कि यस, ही इज़ अ मैजिशियन.
उस्तादों के उस्ताद आली जनाब मुनव्वर साहब, आपको जिस तरह से इन्होंने चेयर किया है, दिल से किया है, they have taken back something from you. वो जो गुरु दक्षिणा है ना, वो आज उनके तालियों से हमको मिली.
मंजिल से आगे बढ़कर मंजिल तलाश कर, मिल जाए तुझको दरिया तो समंदर तलाश कर. हर शीशा टूट जाता है पत्थर की चोट से, पत्थर ही टूट जाए वो शीशा तलाश कर. सजदों से तेरे क्या हुआ सदियां गुजर गईं, सजदों से तेरे क्या हुआ सदियां गुजर गईं, दुनिया तेरी बदल दे वो सजदा तलाश कर. करे सवार ऊंट पे अपने गुलाम को, करे सवार ऊंट पे अपने गुलाम को, पैदल ही खुद चले जो वो आका तलाश कर. पैदल ही खुद चले जो वो आका तलाश कर.